So here we are, guys. You've seen us cut it off. It actually went very, very smooth. So we are going to take the rear glass out, obviously, the door glass. We're going to take the door handle out. We're going to weld that up. We're going to weld the doors on, and then we're going to start fitting the back. Just a quick clean so far. So we're going to make it more structural again. We'll definitely show you. I think it's kind of cool looking. Once this glass comes out, it'll be even better. I might put a side window here off of a Chev truck or something. We'll see what we can find. But as of right now, it went really smooth, and actually it cut the headliner like perfect. Like, look at that. Okay, so welcome back, guys. We're back on the Honda Civic. Who knows, this is day 2 of the cut, but Kevin's here. So what we're going to do is, we got the glass out thanks to Kevin. We're going to take the door handles out. That way we can get this welded up. And then we are going to figure out what we're going to do for up here, which is going to be a piece of C-channel, and then we're going to box it in and make it look like a box. We are going to make a floor as well to make it all level. And then we get back here, since this is disassembly, the license plate is coming out. Since this is going to be a truck bed, this is going to flip down, so the plate has to move to the bumper, so we're taking that out as well. And doing some stuff like that. You'll see there's the door panels and glass there on the ground. So we're going to leave it at that and have some fun. So like I was saying, Kevin is making templates to make sure we can get it inside. We're going to recess it and then we'll weld it up. He'll trace it out to the metal and then we'll use electric sneers to get it in there. So when he's doing that, I pulled the license plate cover off, as you see, because what's going to happen next is we're going to put a piece of cardboard all through here as well, weld it up solid. But a good thing is, this just came right off pretty simple. I'm going to put a hole in right there and put my license plate in my bumper. But the good thing about that is it's going to give me my reverse lights and it's going to give me the recessed lip, so I can actually just glue it in there with some panel bond and have some fun. So that should be a super easy way to do that as well. So we will show you guys doing that as well. For now, he is still making his templates, and then we'll make a template for here. So one thing out of the way. right there. So you have Kevin's template. You see we notched it down. It's going to be recessed in, which will give me a spot to weld all the way around. I can grind it up and then I'll do my body work. Watch, this is going to be welded, so when I do my body work, I can block the whole thing down, so it'll be super easy. Makes it simple. And then what I'll do on the inside, once this is all said and done with, I'm going to end up spraying the inside with some Pour 15 or Dom 16s or some frame paint, since once it's welded all up, you'll never get back at it anyways. So I want to get it painted on the inside of the doors, seal my welds from the inside. That way I can do the box and then I'll do a couple holes so we can undercoat afterwards.
From our cardboard template that we're using for the bumper, we then cut out a piece of sheet metal to block off the license plate. And so once this is tacked in place, some body fill around the edges, paint, there you have your license plate delete.
We also put it on a piece of straight edge, piece of angle iron, and we gave it a little bit of a bend to match the body line, so we don't have to do as much as fill. Once we're done that, we did miss the keyhole. We'll cut that and weld that as well. So we're going to weld that in spot as we speak. We're gonna end the video there, guys. You've seen that we tacked up the license plate because it's not going to be there no more. We quickly tacked up where the keyhole used to be. We tacked up where the door handle is, which is very bad lighting on that side. So we'll go to this side, and we tacked up this side. As you see, tomorrow I'll stitch them all solid. I'll stitch the doors closed, and then I'll start working on my angle iron, my bed, and then I'll be putting the back window in. Now, for people that don't know yet, this is the back glass. So you see it is a tailgate off a Toyota 4Runner. We're gonna have to modify it because it's too wide right now. The glass is perfect size, and it's gonna be power rear glass up and down, which is pretty sick. And what we're going to do is, I haven't 100% decided, but I'm thinking where this is shaved, excuse the lighting in here. I should turn the other light on. Okay, well, it helps out a little bit. So we're going to think where we shave in the door handles and weld the doors solid. I might shave the gas can and actually put it right here. That way just extend the filler neck up and maybe have like a motorcycle style / race car style filler neck that you push down and put gas in it and it locks. That is my idea there. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Should I delete the gas can or the gas door or not? As you see, it's got a good little start for being, you know, not even 24 hours of the roof being cut off. I didn't really work on it much today anyways, but by Monday, I'm hoping that all the welding will be done. The fiberglass will be on to seal the welds, and then we can start doing body work and go from there. You see, we're gonna get the hinges for this, figure out how we're gonna mount it, and it should be good to go. That actually looks pretty sick now, how that's gonna be completely gone. And then, you know, we'll have my rear lip. I got a front lip on order, HID fog lights. We're doing retrofits, so if you guys want to see retrofits as well, cheap way to build retrofits. And then we're going to do the box. For the box, you're going to have to see how it's going to be done, but we're probably going to do a fake floor, leave the spare tire there and have it lift up if I need to get at it, so if I'm driving. And we're probably going to do the floor with hardwood flooring. And it should be pretty sick when it's all done. As you see, this is what it is so far. So far, so good. Make sure you leave a comment, guys. This is, I wouldn't say out of the realm, because it's pretty cool to do. It's pretty easy to do if you know how to do body work. So like always, guys, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Even if you hate it, leave a comment. Dislike it. Just do something. You know, interact. Make sure you share it. Let's get some more people following this build, because it's going to be crazy. We haven't got to the motor yet. I want to get the box roughed in and ready for body work, and then I'll start pulling the motor and tranny, doing wire tuck. And then when the wire tuck's done and the engine bay is shaved, I'll take the doors off, the front doors, and then I will paint the jambs inside the fenders, engine bay at the same time, get the doors back on, and then we'll get ready to paint the car. I'm giving it a month, so this is the end of January. I want to paint it by like the first week of March. That way I can have my Turbo Sierra painted as well. You guys will see that. And I can build the turbo kit. The car shows in April, so the turbo truck needs a complete kit built from scratch. I got a 76 mil turbo, and I need to get transmission rebuilt for the power, because I'm assuming once it gets turbo, the 4L60 is not going to take it. So I'm kind of slacking on there, and there's a lot of stuff to do. Leave a comment, guys. Let me know what you think, and